go to Sinai covenant. The background. Go to the call. The call is not outlined. Or what Moses learned about God from his call. We start from there. On page 51. Are you there? Mm-hmm.
God is loving and caring. God is transcendent. God chooses whoever he moves the burden of his trust. God expects total obedience and faith on the part of those who choose us. God is all-knowing. God empowers those he sends. God sees. God is the deliverer.
Can we talk about the 10 plagues? We can read them.
The plague of blood, the plague of frogs, the plague of gnats, the plague of flies, the plague of death of animals, the plague of birds, the plague of hail, the plague of locusts, the plague of darkness.
Then we move to the Passover. Can we read about the preparations, the instructions that they were given on the Passover night? That is on page 53, down there, on the 10th day.
On the 10th day of that month, each man had to choose his lamb or an animal from his household. The animal chosen was to be killed on the evening of the 14th day of that month. The lamb or animal for sacrifice was to be roasted raw. That is, with its head, legs, and inner parts. The meat was to be eaten that night with unleavened bread and bitter herbs. They were to eat the sacrifice meat after they had dressed up and packed their luggage. The Israelites women were to ask for jewelry, silver, and clothing from the Egyptian women on the eve of departure. Everyone was to remain indoors until morning in order to be protected from the danger of death. The Passover was to be commemorated annually and its significance was to come into direction.
What we learn about God from the plagues down there, there are only 4 points.
Aware of the problems of the Israelites, working through his prophets Moses. Yahweh is just.
Okay, so from there we go to page 59 so that we read the 10 commandments. You're there? Okay, so read them.
You shall have no other God before me. You shall not make for yourself a graven image. You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor your father and mother that your days will be long. You shall not kill. You shall not commit adultery. You shall not steal. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. You shall not covet your neighbor's property.
So we go to page 62. Conditions that were to be fulfilled in the renewal of the covenant. The conditions.
Not to make any treaty with those who live in the land where they were born, to break down the altars, sacred stones and false gods of the inhabitants of Canaan, not to worship any other god, not to make cast idols, to keep the feast of the living brethren, to rest on the seventh day, to dedicate all their firstborn male children and firstborn male domestic animals to the Lord, to offer to God the first fruits of their crops. After all these commands, God promised the Israelites that He would protect and preserve them, bless them, make them prosper so much that the surrounding nations would inquire about their source of wealth and success.
So we go to how the Israelites worship God in the wilderness. The first one is sacrifices and offering, and then we talk about festivals. We go reading like that. So the first one is festivals, altars, the tent of meeting. So we go back to the sacrifices and offering. You read about them. We're in page 63. So the sacrifices and offering include So when you're reading, when you're usually studying for your exams, you're not supposed to read. Just pick one and read it. If you continue reading this or this or this, you're going to write as a what? As different points. So like number 3, where you have 3: peace offering, communion, sacrifice, and fellowship offering. You can just be able to read only one. That is what? Peace offering only. Don't read the others, because if you read the others, you'll write them as a different point. Festivals, for example. They're only those. I don't want us to read the elements.